And sometimes faith does produce deliverance. But more often than not, faith produces endurance. And that's the difference. When you and I exercise, that's how do I know I'm walking by faith? I'm still holding on to the promises God's given me. I'm still staying the course. I still keep going, even though everything around me says, don't do it. Change course. Trust in someone else. Both of these realities, God giving us deliverance by faith, as well as empowering us to endure by faith, both of those things glorify God. And don't miss this, friends. Don't confuse the two. Because sometimes we think, I'm not exercising faith. I don't have enough faith because I'm still experiencing hardship. But it's actually in the hardship that my faith is being proven more precious than gold. Is being built and built up within us.